continuing the way of peace, harmony, and joy. So how do we continue just in terms of what we started off here? So engaging in upcoming workshops with the peace, harmony, and joy events there and resources. Robin, I don't know if you can comment if there'll be events. I think there should be events listed on here. Do you have a word about that on this website?
Not yet. There are a few events planned for the fall. I know one for sure, and there's a possibility of another, but they're not on the website yet because no dates have been set up.
Okay, but they will be eventually?
Yep.
Mhm. Great. Okay, and then sorry, you guys. I'm having a time sometimes hitting the wrong button here. Let's see how I can get back to my screen. Sorry, you guys. I don't know how I did that here. Okay. And then with Chris, originally the idea was we had the thought to do this together, but there's workshops at Chris's center and April's center, Trinity Yoga Wellness Center. I noticed there's some online events with Pam, who's going to participate in the class. So, you can go to that website and check out the sites there. And if you're in Tampa, feel free to go to the center, right, Chris and April?
Yeah, we would love to have you down here. We talk about everything from the body to the mind to the human soul and spirit. So
Yes.
many different offerings. And the one that is prominent popping up is Ayurveda, which is just another word for eating healthy nutrition. And it's focused on women going through menopause. So it's specifically on how to eat nutritionally to reduce the overall beast that you ladies have to go through.
And it's actually to be it's the stages of premenopause, menopause, and then even after menopause. So it's to discuss the stages of it. And Pam, who was here, she's actually the one hosting it. She is certified in Ayurveda.
Right. And what's the date of that?
31st?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, very good. And then is the center right in Tampa or is it just outside of Tampa?
We're just north of Tampa, out of the chaos in a little bit more peaceful area.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're starting to do online programs. And so Pam's Ayurveda is going to be online. So anyone from
Actually, did I kick it off? I appreciate the opportunity to kick off, be listed on your site for this series.
You
Yes.
did.
Yes. I'm
Start of
grateful
the
for that.
trend.
I'm grateful for that. Okay. And then gift self-study courses. I have a couple of courses that I'd like to gift you for those who are participating in the program here. So I have a program on finding peace in a world of worry that you can access using this link here. And these links will be in the course site there, so you can access. Essentials for Well-Being. And this is my flagship signature health course now, where emphasizing physical, mental, emotional well-being. What I did as a live course a little while ago. Now I have it packaged as a self-study course there. Oh no. Sorry, you guys, I keep hitting the wrong button here. Couple more there. Okay, and then discovering a path to vitality, joy in every stage of life, explore conscious healthy aging. So a few of us here are in that platform, but I'd invite you, or if anyone you may know who really wants to maintain a vitality consciousness as they age, this is the platform I'm offering into the world right now. Discovering a path of vitality and joy in every stage of life. And Carol mentioned, we just look to play our part, no matter what age we are. And then, if you want to do some one-to-one work with me to help elevate your sense of well-being, schedule a personalized wellness consultation to elevate your well-being and finding your peace, harmony, and joy. Again, if we feel healthier, it goes without saying that it's gonna enhance our ability to experience peace, harmony, and joy.